For the purpose of this course, let's go ahead and create a folder on our desktop called My Lightroom Photos. You'll need to transfer some photos into this directory so that you can follow along with our exercises. In your Downloads folder, there is a Course Images folder. Open this folder and transfer all the images into the newly created My Lightroom Photos. Some students do opt to use their own photos to edit, but we recommend using the samples until you're comfortable with the program. Not only does this ensure you achieve the same results that we aim to teach, but it also protects your photos from being inadvertently modified or deleted. Now create another folder on your desktop that will store your Lightroom catalog files. We will work with catalogs in the next lecture. We'll call this folder LR Catalogs. So altogether, you should have 2 folders.